Let me show you how I made this shortbread cookies. It tastes so good, it's milky, and I know it's something you will love to try. So let me show you how I achieved this in just few minutes. Okay, to make this, you need some margarine or butter. In this video, I'm using margarine right here. So you have to just take part of that into your bowl and then go ahead to add some powdered sugar or icing sugar. If you don't have any powdered sugar or icing sugar at home, just blend your normal sugar without any water. So mix these very well with your hand wicks, or you can as well use your electric hand mixer. Yes, that will also help a lot, and it will even make it faster. So we are going to mix these until we achieve a very smooth and fluffy texture. That is what we want right here. And like I said, all the details will be in the description, so you would love to read the description to get all the details you need to make this. With the electric hand mixer, you are going to spend lesser time, while these take a bit of your time. Okay, now I added in some milk powder, some corn flour as well, and then I added my soft flour. You can use all-purpose flour if that is what you have available, but please do not use bread flour or hard flour. No, you can use soft flour or all-purpose flour. As soon as you add your flour to this, do not use your whisk or your hand mixer again. Just use your spatula or your hands to mix this until everything comes together. We are not adding water to this. We don't need water. Just mix this until everything comes together. Just follow the measurement in the description so that you'll be able to achieve something like this. In case you want to do more, just increase the measurement you see in the description, just that, and then you will be perfect to go. We are just wrapping this in a cling film and then we'll put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and we'll take it out, put this back onto your work surface, and with your rolling pin, just roll this out to get your desired thickness. You do not want it to be very thick. You also don't want it to be very light. In order for our edges to be very straight and even, what we'll do is to just cut the edges, cut the rough ones out, and then now you cut them into your desired shapes and sizes, and you transfer these onto your baking pan just like this, and make sure that you have used some flour, you grease inside with some margarine or butter, you've added your baking paper or whatever you prefer to use to bake these so that they don't get stick onto it. Use your fork to just poke into it to get that shortbread signature. Okay, now that we've done this, we are just going to put this into the oven and then we'll bake until golden brown. So all the measurements and the details you use to bake this will just be in the description. Do well to refer to the description, and also if you want amazing content like this, then you should subscribe so that you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Also, do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. They will be linked in the description, and make sure you click on this video right here to watch this amazing recipe I have for you. And thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching to this very stage. I hope that this video helps you and you leave me a nice comment. Also, I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.